The US just dropped a bombshell on the global clean energy market by imposing tariffs as high as 3,521% on solar panels imported from Southeast Asia. That's not a typo. This dramatic move is already sending shockwaves through the renewable energy world, with far-reaching implications for American industry, climate goals, and the US-China trade relationship. At the heart of this story is a familiar tension: China's dominance in solar manufacturing. Chinese companies like Jinko Solar and Trina Solar have set up factories in Cambodia, Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam, exporting panels to the US market. But American manufacturers say it's a shell game, accusing them of exploiting these countries to dodge US trade laws and flood the market with state-subsidized, ultra-cheap panels. The tariffs come after a year-long investigation by the US Department of Commerce, prompted by complaints from companies like Hanwha Qcells and First Solar, along with several smaller American solar producers. Their argument: Chinese subsidies are distorting the global market and hurting US industry. And the numbers back up their concerns. Amidst the escalating tariffs, stark differences emerge. Cambodia faces an astronomical 3,521%, while Malaysia and Thailand contend with significantly lower rates. As the international trade landscape continuously shifts, these steep tariffs shape the future of solar energy investments and innovation in the region, reminding us of the complex interplay between economic policies and sustainable energy development. The final decision will come in June, when the US International Trade Commission weighs in. While the tariffs might protect some American solar jobs, critics are raising red flags. The Solar Energy Industries Association warns that the tariffs will drive up prices for solar installers and slow down the nation's clean energy transition. Why? Because many US panel assemblers rely on imported cells, and these duties make that much more expensive. In other words, this could stall solar adoption just when the US is pushing for energy independence and net zero emissions. All this is happening against a backdrop of global energy insecurity. Trade wars are escalating, creating a hostile environment for investments. It is expected that these changes might lead to a tougher financial landscape where solar adoption becomes less accessible. However, they also indicate a significant shift towards reclaiming manufacturing power, fostering innovation, and ensuring a more competitive market. The future of clean energy is intricately linked to these evolving dynamics. The balance remains delicate but hopeful. This situation presents both challenges and opportunities. So we can say that while the path forward for clean energy may be fraught with obstacles, the commitment to reducing reliance on foreign manufacturing and investing in domestic solutions holds the potential for a more sustainable and resilient future for all Americans. The tension looms between economic interests and environmental goals, leaving many to wonder if the US can effectively balance both. Advocates argue that stringent trade policies might push industries to innovate, while critics caution against potential economic fallout that could stifle advancements in clean energy. With opinions divided, the future largely hinges on how policymakers navigate these competing priorities. The discourse has only just begun, and every voice matters in shaping the trajectory of this crucial issue. Let us know. In this pivotal moment, the question remains: can we forge a path that champions both our economic growth and our environmental commitments? The answer lies in our collective engagement and dedication to finding solutions that protect both our planet and our industry. Your insights will be invaluable. What do you think? Should the US stand its ground with tough trade enforcement? Or is this a risky move that could set back our progress on clean energy? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and if you care about where your energy comes from, this is the story to watch.